Hey friends, this is Nancy Sheads and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video for Inspire Me Monday over at Poppy. As you may know, Inspire Me Monday is back and the design team will be sharing inspiration projects every week. In addition, on the third Monday of the month, there'll be a new monthly challenge hosted by Christine and you're invited to play along. The full details are on the Poppy blog and I'll add the link in the description below. The theme for May 2022 is April showers bring May flowers, so I decided to feature the Spring Meadow Bouquet digital stamp in today's video. It's been a while since I featured a digital stamp, so I decided to start with a quick refresher to help get you started. I have a fuller tutorial on my channel that I'll link in the description below, but for now, I'll just give you the shorter version. So let's get started. I use Microsoft Word for the layout and printing of digital stamps. In the layout settings, I set the page size to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches and the margins to 1/4 inch all around. Then I insert a text box by clicking on the Insert menu and selecting the option for text box as shown. I drag the corners of the box to fill the page and delete the default text in the box. Next, I insert the digital stamp by selecting the Insert menu and then the Picture option. I select this device, since my stamps are stored locally on my computer, and then navigate to the desired folder. I select the file and then click on the Insert button. Today, I only want to use part of the stamp, so I make sure that the image is selected and then click on the Picture Format menu and select Crop. Selection markers appear on the image. I move the markers so that I have the portion that I want to keep, and then go back to the Picture Format menu and select Crop again. Now the only part of the image that is visible is the part I want to keep, and I can drag the corners of the image to make it larger or smaller as desired. In this case, I decide to remove some of the blank space from the top and bottom of the image, so I repeat the crop process one more time. Once I have the image sized and positioned, I click on the text box to select it and then select the Shape Format menu. I go to the option for Shape Fill and select No Fill just to be sure that it will be transparent. And then I select the Shape Outline and select No Outline. This will remove the line from the text box. To print the image, I cut a piece of Copic compatible paper to 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, insert it in the manual feed of my printer, and then print the image. I keep this file until after I've colored the image, just in case there's a problem and I need to print it again. So let's get started with the coloring. Let me show you the card and the markers one more time. I sped up the coloring portion of the video to keep this to a reasonable length. I color pretty fast, but not quite this fast. I'll show you the markers that I use along the way, but I encourage you to experiment with different combinations and color schemes. From here on, the coloring will be pretty much self-explanatory, so I'm going to turn on the music and I'll meet you at the end. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As always, I've linked the supplies used in the description below, as well as the links that I mentioned in the video. Thanks for joining me today. See you again soon.